In this video, we are going to show you how to activate your Tap and Share Smart NFC Google Review cards, tags and stickers. To start the activation, tap on your tag or visit tapandshare.online. We recommend setting up your profile on a computer, although activation can also be done on a smartphone. Start by entering your access code and password, as printed on the activation card. Now click the Login button. Complete your details and ensure to double-check your email address as you will need to confirm it. Once you have completed the activation process, make sure to check your inbox for the email verification link and click on it. Now click the Save button. Once you see the confirmation message, click the Profiles button on the left. Click the New Profile button on the top right corner. You will need to insert your Google Review link URL in the redirect URL box. If you don't know your Google Review link URL, follow those steps. Visit google.com. Make sure that you are signed in to the account that manages your business profile. Click the dots icon on the top right corner and select Business Profile Manager from the pop-up options. Click on your business name or select the relevant business from the list if you manage multiple business profiles. Click on the Ask for Reviews button. This will reveal your Google Review link URL. Now, click the Copy button and return to your Tap and Share profile setup page. Right-click on the redirect URL box and paste your link. Click the Save button and wait for the confirmation message. Congratulations, your Google Review tag is now active and ready to tap. Now make sure to check your inbox for the email verification link and click on it. Here is how to use your Tap and Share card or tag and boost your Google reviews. First, tap the card on an NFC-enabled phone. Click on the pop-up message. Now your customer can leave you their review. Thank you for choosing Tap and Share.